do not care if people know that I wear hair systems, obviously, because I'm making this video and I post about it on my Instagram. If people want to judge, that's fine. I think that it would be really stupid for someone to judge people wearing a hair system. If someone has like a disorder that makes them lose hair, or if they are going through like cancer and they wear a wig or whatever, nobody says anything about that, but like heaven forbid, some dude wants to wear a system because he's going bald and people just think that they can make fun of that. It's really dumb, so don't do that, and don't be afraid to wear a system because you're worried about all the ridicule. Like, no one has ever made fun of me yet for wearing a system, so I would say just go for it and try not to care about what anyone thinks.